CCSC, page number 15, speed 100 word, start. Section 439, bail, grant of, considering the gravity of allegations leveled against the accused applicant, his influential status, and CBI, indicated reasonable apprehension that accused is likely to influence investigation if enlarged on bail. High Court rejected bail application. However, Supreme Court released accused applicant on bail subject to the condition of restraining accused applicant from entering into District of Bareilly in Karnataka and District of Andhra Pradesh. Serious apprehension on the part of CBI investigating agency that if condition in question is relaxed and are modified and are substituted, there would be threat to witnesses because of power and influence that accused applicant is having. Looking to strong apprehension on the part of CBI application for modification substitution of condition in question, that is condition number C, in the order of Supreme Court passed in special leave petition criminal number 7053 of 2013, dismissed with certain directions. Stop next. Section 439, bail grant of, for offence under Section 4 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 PMLA. Allegation against petitioner is that on scrutiny of his bank account, it showed huge cash deposit amounting to rupees 30 lakhs. Respondents contended that said amount is proceeds of crime. Explanation put forth by petitioner during course of investigation is that said amount was deposited by him in respect of transaction for purchase of property, and such amount deposited was much prior to period of alleged illegal activity, and as such said amount cannot be classified as proceeds of crime. These are aspects which in any event would be looked at during course of trial, taking into consideration all aspects of the matter and also making it subject to the condition that petitioner shall diligently participate in the trial without interfering in the course of justice and also complying with other appropriate conditions to be imposed by trial court. Prayer for bail accepted. Petitioner directed to be enlarged on bail. Accordingly, impugned order of High Court rejecting prayer of petitioner for bail not justified. Next. Section 439, bail grant of, for offence punishable under Section 376 and Section 66 of Information Technology Act 2000, gang rape of minor girl who is aged 15 years 6 months studying in class 10. One of the accused against whom allegations have been made is son of sitting MLA. Yet another accused have criminal antecedents, and third accused is manager of the hotel where alleged incident of gang rape had occurred. Offence alleged in instant case is heinous and would be an onslaught on the dignity of the womanhood. Amply clear from plain reading of complaint as well as testimony of prosecutrix that accused persons respondents had indeed participated in gang rape. Prosecutrix states that she was threatened that if she were to inform any family member of the alleged rape incident, they would make the video of rape to go viral. Complainant underlines influence and possibility of the clout being wielded on the witnesses which cannot be discounted. possibility and reasonable suspicion of accused person's prima facie culpability. Delay in lodging FIR by itself would not be sufficient ground to enlarge accused person on bail. Impugned order of High Court granting bail to accused persons set aside accused oblique respondents to surrender before jurisdictional court. Stop next. Section 439 bail grant of for offence under section 147 IPC in the FIR injured informant complainant specifically named accused persons even in his statement recorded under section 161 of the CRPC informant stood by what he has stated in the FIR. All three accused in instant case were part of unlawful assembly and independent overt act cannot be ground to release accused on bail. Stop.